Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Wednesday. Kathy's actually about to be going live with Sarah Styles LLC. And so we had about, like an hour to fit our What Sold video in. So we're going to start picking and showing you guys what sold before Kathy goes live. If you were able to make that live, that's awesome. If you were not, go back and watch it again and see what Kathy had to say. I don't know, what's the topic about the live? Is it anything specific? I'm not up to date on it. So
honestly, I think it's just like a eBay Q&A, so whatever people in the comments are asking, we will do our best to answer. So yeah, I know it's me. I actually don't know everyone's name. There's two other guests as well, so it's just like a little round table type.
Right.
Everyone answer their question with their answer, I think. So,
sweet.
Yeah.
So if you missed it, go back and watch it if that interests you.
Alrighty.
Does it interest you, Reese?
Anything interesting except tummy rubs.
Tummy rubs? You got a half a tail wag out of that.
All right, so some Keen snow boots. I bought these for $10.99, sold them on Kitizen for $40.50 with free shipping, and the shipping is costing $8.95. So, not too bad.
All right.
Still about $15, $16 profit left on those.
All right, 1 second. Sorry, guys, my focus was not working, and I had to take a second to figure it out.
And then I started chewing some ice in the meantime, so. All right. So, this belt. I don't know. I think it's called Bison something or other. This was just on a pair of like 511 tactical pants that I bought, and I've already sold the pants, so I just took the belt off and I was like, I might as well list it separate.
Yeah.
And it sold for $9.86 plus shipping, so I'll profit after the shipping, so not too bad.
Yeah. How much did the pants cost when you first bought them?
The pants, I think I bought for like $6.99.
Okay.
Probably sold them around $30, so.
Not bad.
Yeah. The belt's actually pretty light, so we're just doing a poly mailer. Maybe put a layer of bubble in between.
Yeah, we could probably roll that belt up pretty small, put a little bubble wrap around it, just for whatever. Keep the buckle and clasp all safe.
So these Under Armour, these are kids like youth size swim trunk. Bought for $5 retail arbitrage at Nordstrom Rack and sold for $22.45 plus shipping on eBay. I did get several pairs of those, so that's one that'll keep making me a little more money at least.
Yeah.
All right, CJ. These are some kids' Heelys. Bought for $5.79, sold for $31 with discount shipping on Posh. Actually, the same buyer, they didn't leave a message, and I can't remember if you're a viewer or not, but if you are, Christy, thank you so much. I just always assume if they bought like 2 items, they might be a viewer. So if not, you'll never see this. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's that. We'll do a medium flat rate. Don't mind our mess.
Yeah, Kathy's been hard at work getting shoes all put in, and we need some more flat rates.
Yeah. I need more of you.
So yeah, basically these shoes are ready to get their numbers taken off, and I've taken the numbers and stuff off of these, so these are ready to photograph. So lots of shoes going up very soon.
I got 50 typed in yesterday, and then that little bag I bought a few more last night. So finally feeling like getting back to a little bit of normal.
Yeah. It's okay, we'll wait, Reese.
And then these are the other item that Christy bought. A pair of Nike Free 5.0 floral. These are really cute.
Yeah, those are nice.
I actually bought these from Harry Tornado on one of his Whatnot shows. I spent way too much, only because Chris really wanted a PS5, and we were trying to win the PS5 that day. We did not win.
We did not win.
I actually bought the shoes because I was going to wear them, and I did wear them several times, but they're just a little too big on me. Yeah. So I went ahead and listed and sold for $54 with discount shipping. We probably paid around $90 for them, though. Just obviously that was way over market, but when you're in like the Whatnot hype type stuff, that sometimes happens. So I do think we had a couple like credits that day, like $10 from people joining with our code. So
no,
put our code down there.
Was it that, or was it just us joining? We got $10
we got
off.
$10, but then I gave you $10 for you to sign up for an account. So, hey, you're a real person. That's not like cheating the system. You do buy things on there too.
Yeah.
So you are a legitimate Whatnot customer.
Okay. Yeah.
Anyways, I'm going to make Chris put our Whatnot code because we don't sell on there yet. Maybe never.
Maybe never,
If
yeah.
you guys want $10 just to shop, I'll make him put a code in the description. So
if by some chance you have not tried out Whatnot yet, right?
I think most people have. So yeah, making back $40-something on those at least.
You said Christy? In case you are a viewer, thank you so much for that support.
Sorry, I felt like I was seeing something in my glasses. Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Christy. All right, since I don't have a medium flat rate, let's just do a shoebox on those. Okay. Got a viewer sale going out to Zach.
Zach again.
Yes, thank you, Zach. So these are a couple items I got from the bins last week when my son was at his trips. Got a snowman puzzle new. I just got this because it said Marvin on it. I was like, oh,
Marvin Mega Boy?
I'll do this in my spare time because I have so much of that. But yeah, then I
learned crocheting or what?
I was looking at it. I was like, I'm not going to be able to follow these easy to follow instructions. So I listed it up. So Zach grabbed those two, and then in box R, a shirt. Duluth Trading Co. Henley. So yeah, total for the 3 items came out to $47.85 plus shipping, and I had about $8.31 into the 3. So thank you,
awesome, Zach. Thank you so much for all the amazing continued support. Super interested. Are you gonna crochet that Marvin guy?
Maybe his mom.
If so, yeah, give us a picture. That'd be fun. If not, no pressure. Yeah.
All right, so we'll put that in a large mailing box. And then box CM. Got these Dance Go sold on Poshmark for $25, and I had $8.99 into those. Let's do another shoebox.
Why are you making so much noise, huh?
To the hanging stuff. Yeah. I was excited to sell this. It's been listed a while, but
oh, those are big coveralls.
yeah, these are like a vintage Sears. Like, look at that old tag.
Man, I wonder if someone's using that for Michael Myers costume or something.
I was like, I better ship this today in case it's for a Halloween costume.
Yeah,
so it's pretty cool. I bought it for $10, $9.99, and I accepted a $38 offer on Posh. So
that's a big size too.
well, it's a 40, but like back in the so like 40 in the chest is not that big, right?
Right, but I'm talking tall. Like it's a pretty tall. Like
yeah, taller than it's as tall as me. I'm what 5'4".
Yeah, and that's just the neck. So
Okay.
yeah. I would probably bet money that that's going for a Michael Myers costume or something.
That's pretty fun then.
Yeah.
Hopefully they get it and it doesn't like get lost in the mail. Okay. Can pretty much put it in any of these boxes. What do we got left here? We can fold it up.
We
like
so
one of these,
need,
right? I know.
Yeah, we totally need to restock our
It's always
boxes.
fun to like just make stuff fit towards the end. Okay, CP.
Did you lead us right there? Are you a pointer or you a retriever?
I sold these birdies on. They're being extra loud today. These are birdies, which are a pretty good brand. But yeah, I sold these for $55 on Posh. I had $9.99 into them. I almost didn't pick them up because it's not like there's anything wrong with them, but like, I don't know, the velvet just looked like it was creased in a couple places and stuff. So I was like, I don't know if anyone would want them. They did sit a while, and I think it's just because like the color was very hard to capture, and I kept getting color questions that I couldn't really answer. Google Lens was no help.
It's velvet, so it's like that reflective.
Yeah, it's like you could pretty much call that like 4 different colors, and they're all correct, I think. So, anyways, that was a challenging one, but yeah, still for a good amount. So 10 into 55. I actually found a pair of birdies on Sunday, I think, at a Goodwill that I don't normally go to, so I can't go back, but I was like, I don't know. They were in a little bit rough shape, but now I kind of regret not getting those.
Right.
So, anyways.
Birdie's typically a good brand, right? A good brand?
Yeah, I would say it's similar kind of to a Rothy, but I think Rothy still sell a little
Are they
better.
all like velvet?
I
or
all velvet.
No, okay.
The ones I've all sold have been, so
Right.
Maybe.
Yeah. Any birdies?
Yeah.
No. Anybody with birdies knowledge? I guess.
I personally didn't like them. The last pair I sold was my size. I tried it on and I just did not think they were super comfy. But I do love Roxy's. All right. Sold this. Oh gosh, is it Notre Dame?
Notre Dame.
Yeah, just like a cool old crew neck. Bought for $6.99. Sold for $31. I don't think it was discount shipping. Yeah, that was like a offer that someone sent me. So $31. Not bad.
So it's the school, right?
I think so. Yeah.
I feel I might be completely wrong, but I feel like the school is Notre Dame, and like the actual building
I feel
is
like we've
Notre
had this
Dame.
Conversation on our videos
Right.
like a long time
Have
ago,
we?
and we probably just forgot.
I must have forgot.
Maybe just do a tiebreak on that. I don't know. We're running out of things. Okay. CS. Pair of Timberland boots. Bought for $12.99. Accepted a $50 offer on Poshmark. We'll do a shoebox on those.
Try not to back into this meatball right here. Oh, you want to tell me rub?
You are so spoiled. Alright, finally getting some of these off. Pair of bogs. These are the digger boot, I believe. So I did buy these retail arbitrage for $15 and I accepted a $45 offer on Posh. These are a size 14, so I don't think they'll fit in any of like the USPS boxes, so I'll have to find a box for those.
Yeah, hopefully we have a recycled box.
I know we have a big eBay one, if nothing else. So. Ooh, these pants I think are in this bin.
Uh-oh.
Chris hasn't done his job this
I've been
week.
falling behind. Kids at home, you know, as much as I love it, it's not sarcastically, it does make it really hard to get stuff done when you work at home.
So these are a pair of Duluth, just khaki pants, which generally I can sell around $30. However, I somehow missed the backside of them. Had quite a bit of, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. It's pretty faint. Like, I don't know if you can...
some
I
spots
don't know
here.
if it's bleach or what, but yeah. So
just those two spots there? Maybe another one over
Chris was
here?
folding them up originally the first time I listed them. He's noticed them, which I didn't. So thankfully, I was able to snap a few photos, relist it with a new description, and they still sold for $15. That was an offer someone sent on Posh. I paid $6.50 for them originally, so I still didn't lose money. But yeah, at that point, I just wanted my $6.50 back. So.
And those are more or less work pants. So
Yeah.
I mean,
You know,
sometimes
people,
they like the work pants. They like them a little worn in.
Yeah, and people buy those Carhartt pants like super worn in.
Yeah.
So maybe like a similar situation. And I think that's so close to the color of the pants, it's like hardly noticeable. Okay, CI lastly. Little baby Squishmallow.
Squishmallow, hey.
I'm considering I have no dollars into this. It came from the bins originally. I think I gave it to my kids to play with for a little while. Then I washed it and I sold it for $4.84 plus shipping on eBay.
Okay.
Yeah. It's Halloween mailer. Done.
That's it. All right. We're going to get this stuff packed up. All right. Got it all packed up. No problem. Only took 1 second.
1 second, yeah.
Yeah, that's it for today. No other sales have come in. Kathy does have to go live in like 15 minutes. Are you nervous?
I always get nervous, even when we do our regular live.
Yeah. Which, yeah, guys, we do go live every Thursday night. We will be live this Thursday, and I think this video is going to be going out today, Wednesday. I'm hoping for it. That means tomorrow night is our live. We didn't make it last week, but we will be back tomorrow, and we would love to have you guys there. I did want to talk about a comment that we got, and here, I have it right here. So the comment is from Sunshine Gypsy, and she said, "Hey, Chris and Kathy, this is in reference to a video, the TikTok trend that we had. Kathy mentioned that moon boots was a VERO, and we got a VERO for that. And she mentioned, Sunshine Gypsy said, "Hi, Chris and Kathy, I'm new to List Perfectly and eBay, and just learned that on List Perfectly, you can put VERO words in the word alert for eBay. You can use that for typos and etc. It's extremely helpful for a new seller like myself." So she's a new seller and she's using List Perfectly, but she said she's definitely adding moon boots to that list. And I just wanted to show you guys that because this is a feature that I know was added. We just have not really done anything with it, but it seems, after she commented, it seems very easy to do. So I'm going to show you guys here. So basically, there's a demo you can watch here if you wanted to, but you just add in words. You click on your link up here and then go to settings. And if you just scroll down, you can add in the words here. And you can also do it for specific marketplaces. If you wanted to do just Poshmark, you do Poshmark there, eBay, so on and so forth. And it's pretty easy. So if you guys have VERO words that you're afraid of, like Velcro or onesie, I know that, yeah, onesie's on that list, moon boots and so on and so forth, then that's an easy way. I think List Perfectly, we haven't used it yet, but I'm pretty sure it just gives you a notification like, hey, you're using a word that is on your word alert list, so you might want to make a change. So if you are using List Perfectly, it is for business and pro plans, so not the basic plan, but if you do have the business or pro plan, that is available to you. And if you don't use List Perfectly, but you are interested in using List Perfectly, there is a link down in our description, and there's a discount, I think, for your first month or something. I'll put all the information. We don't really talk about it that much, but we do use it every single day. We've been using List Perfectly since the beta program, and it's been one of the biggest reasons we've been able to make as many sales as we do. So anyway, guys, we are getting close to having to go live, so I'm gonna get Kathy all set up. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks so much for all the amazing support today. We do appreciate that, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.